Welcome. Take a slow breath. Today we are going through a complete deep facial cleansing routine, step by step, at a gentle, unhurried pace. No harsh scrubbing, no aggressive squeezing, no damage to the skin barrier. Just careful, calming care, the way Korean skincare has always approached it. Stay until the final close-up because the texture change becomes much clearer near the end. The camera moves in slowly now. A close-up of the skin showing the congestion clearly. The nose has visible blackheads, sitting quietly in the pores, those tiny plugs of oxidized sebum that build up over time without proper cleansing. The cheeks have a few inflamed pimples, not severe but definitely present. The skin surface has that faintly dull, heavy quality that comes from clogged pores not getting the attention they need. This is the starting point. Keep this image in mind. Step-by-step routine. We begin with oil cleansing, which is the first step of the double cleanse method. A small amount of lightweight cleansing oil is warmed between clean fingers and then gently, slowly pressed into dry skin. The movements are soft, circular, unhurried. Oil dissolves oil. What this step does is loosen the excess sebum sitting inside the pores, soften the oxidized buildup, and begin lifting makeup, sunscreen, and surface impurities without stripping anything away. Watch how the cleansing oil glides smoothly across the skin, emulsifying slowly as water is gently introduced. The texture changes to a soft, milky white, which means it is lifting everything to the surface. This is rinsed away gently with lukewarm water. The skin already feels slightly softer. Now a gentle foaming cleanser, pH balanced and suited for acne-prone skin, is worked into a light lather and applied to the face with slow upward circular movements. The foam is fine, not thick and heavy. Korean skincare philosophy teaches us that the foam itself should not be harsh. This step removes any remaining residue from the oil cleanse, clears the surface of the skin, and prepares everything for the deeper treatment that comes next. A warm towel is now pressed softly against the face, not hot, simply warm enough to encourage the pores to relax. The towel is held in place for a quiet moment, about 30 seconds, and the steam that builds gently underneath begins to soften the congestion sitting inside the pores. This is one of those small, simple steps that makes everything that follows easier and far more effective. The most satisfying part begins once the pores around the nose start softening. With the skin now warm and prepped, we move into deep pore cleansing. A BHA-based exfoliant containing salicylic acid is applied carefully to the congested zones, the nose, the chin, the forehead. Salicylic acid is oil-soluble, which means it can actually travel into the pore and work from inside, gently loosening the debris and dissolving the buildup that causes blackheads and recurring acne. It is applied with a light tapping motion, never rubbed aggressively, just softly worked into the skin and left to sit quietly for a few minutes. During this time, the skin is doing the work on its own. A soft extraction method is used gently to address the blackheads that have loosened enough to come free. The movements are careful and minimal. The skin is not forced, only what is ready comes out. The visible pores around the nose begin to look noticeably cleaner after this step. That gray textured look starts to fade. You can already see the difference forming. For the pimples, a calming clay treatment with kaolin is dabbed gently onto each inflamed spot. Kaolin clay absorbs excess oil around the area and helps calm the visible redness without drying the surrounding skin. This is left in place for several minutes. No picking, no pressure, simply allowing the treatment to do its work quietly. The clay is rinsed away carefully, and now the skin barrier step begins, which is one of the most important parts of any Korean skincare routine. When you cleanse deeply, you need to actively replenish what was removed. A ceramide-rich serum is applied in gentle pressing motions, not rubbing, simply pressing the product into the skin so it absorbs evenly. Ceramides help rebuild the protective layer of the skin, which prevents moisture from escaping and keeps the skin resilient against future congestion. A calming toner, alcohol-free and enriched with niacinamide and Centella asiatica, is now patted softly across the face. Niacinamide helps regulate sebum production and over time reduces the appearance of enlarged pores. Centella calms any remaining sensitivity from the cleansing steps. The toner is patted in gently, in slow rhythmic motions, and the skin begins to feel increasingly settled and hydrated. Finally, a lightweight Korean moisturizer, gel-textured and fast-absorbing, is applied in upward sweeping movements across the entire face. On acne-prone and oily skin, a gel moisturizer provides just enough hydration without heaviness. It seals in everything applied beneath it and leaves the skin feeling balanced. Now look at the close-up. Compare it to where we began. The pores around the nose are visibly smaller and cleaner. The blackheads that were sitting in those pores have been gently cleared away. The small pimples look calmer, less red, less raised. The skin surface is smoother, more even, and has a quiet, healthy glow rather than that heavy, congested dullness it carried at the start. The oiliness has settled. The texture has shifted completely. This is what a proper deep pore cleansing routine can do when it is approached with patience and care, following the principles of Korean skincare, double cleansing, BHA exfoliation, barrier repair, and gentle hydration layered softly one step at a time. Thank you for watching.